Pleasant welcome to one and all. Now we are going to study about the topic Introduction of Computers. Website developed by K. Yogeshwari M.Com CA, INADR Janakyamal College, Sivagasi, under the guidance of Mr. R.D. Sivakumar, MSc MPhil MTech, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Assistant Professor and Head, Department of M.Com CA, INADR Janakyamal College, Sivagasi. Mobile 09944042243. Email sivamsccsit@gmail.com. Website www.rdsivakumar.blogspot.in. History of Computers. Introduction. A computer is an automatic electronic machine. A word computing, it means an act of calculating. A computer is able to performing basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Computer is also capable of storing informations which can be used later. Computers are very accurate and save time by performing the operation very fast. Early history of computer. 2500 BC the abacus and 1614 AD Napier's bones. 1633 AD the slide rule. 1642 AD the rotating wheel calculator and 1822 AD the difference engine and 1890 AD Holyrood tabulating machine. 2500 BC the abacus. Abacus is the first known calculating machine used for calculating and counting. It is made of beads strung on cords. It is used for simple arithmetic calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The cord corresponds to position of decimal digits. The bead represents the digits. Numbers are represented by beads close to the crossbar. 1614 AD Napier bones. The Napier bones was invented by John Napier, a Scottish mathematician. Napier's bone is used for multiplication. A set of bones consisted of 9 rods, one for each digit 1 through 9 and a constant rod for the digit 0. A rod is similar to one column of a multiplication table. 1633 AD the slide rule. The slide rule was invented by William Orchard. The slide rule is also known as slipstick. The slide rule is primarily used for multiplication and division and also used for functions as roots, logarithm and trigonometry. It is made up of two sets of scales that are joined together. The suitable align of two scales enable the slide rule to perform multiplication and division. 1642 AD the rotating wheel calculator. The rotating wheel calculator was invented by French philosopher Blaise Pascal. This is a predecessor to today's electronic calculator. It is using simple components such as gear and levers. 1822 AD the difference engine. The difference engine was built by Charles Babbage, the father of today's computer. The difference engine is an automatic mechanical calculator. It is designed to tabulate polynomial function. Polynomial involves variables and coefficients. It operates the functions or addition, subtraction, multiplication and non-negative integer exponents. 1819 AD Holyrood tabulating machine. A tabulating machine was designed by Herman Holyrood. The Holyrood tabulating machine is able to read the information on the punched cards. The punched cards are the basis for storing and processing the information electronically. Generation of computers. First generation vacuum tubes 1940 to 1956. Second generation transistor 1956 to 1963. And third generation integrated circuits 1964 to 1971. And fourth generation microprocessor 1971. Fifth generation artificial intelligence. First generation 1940 to 1956 vacuum tubes. The first generation of computers used vacuum tubes for circulatory and magnetic trunks for memory. The vacuum or electron tube is a device that controls the electric current through a vacuum in a sealed container. The vacuum tubes are large in size, occupied a lot of space and produced enormous heat. The input was based on punched cord and paper tape. The output was displayed on printouts. Example, the universal automatic computer and the electronic numerical integrator and calculator. Second generation 1956 to 1963 transistors. The transistor was superior to the vacuum tube. The transistor regulates the current or voltage flow and acts as a switch for electronic signals. The transistor is allowing computers to become smaller, faster, cheaper and energetic efficient, more reliable. The transistor had three legs or base, collector, emitter. Base activating the transistor and collector is positive lead and emitter represents negative lead. Third generation 1964 to 71 integrated circuits. An integrated circuits or chips is electronic circuits on one smaller plate of semiconductor material, normally a silicon. It is small in size and high speed and efficiency of computers. Fourth generation 1971 microprocessor. The microprocessor is a silicon chip, contains a CPU, computer processing unit. The microprocessor executes the set of instructions. Fifth generation, present beyond artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a human-like intelligence excited by machines or software. It is bridging the gap between computing and thinking. Thank you.